Earnings and fundamentals. Conclusion. Fundamental analysis. Having a fundamental backdrop helps options traders understand which indexes, sectors, and ETFs to focus on, predict price movements, especially surrounding earnings season, and by providing a regular volatility event that equals movement in the options market that traders can take advantage of. Adding fundamental analysis to your options trading game plan can only further enhance your edge. Why earnings season? Traders should care about earnings season due to the opportunity it provides. In addition to price movement, earnings reports can cause large price swings in both directions. Economic health insight. Collectively, earnings reports give a snapshot of the health of the economy. Sector performance. Earnings allow traders to gauge which sectors are outperforming or underperforming. And company health. Earnings indicate how individual companies are performing against expectations. Earnings reports are one of the most anticipated events in the stock market. They offer a direct glimpse into the company's health and future prospects. Strong earnings can propel a stock upwards, while disappointing results can send it plummeting. For options traders, the potential price movements surrounding earnings announcements can provide lucrative opportunities. The sentiment impact is also real. Particularly in volatile market conditions, anticipation and market sentiment can be even more important than the actual numbers. Oftentimes, companies can trade lower while beating EPS estimates just because expectations were too high. Companies can also trade higher on bad numbers just because they were better than expected. Earnings season is a set period occurring 4 times a year when the majority of publicly traded companies release their quarterly earnings reports. These reports provide an overview of a company's performance in the previous quarter, revealing crucial financial metrics like revenue, expenses, profits, and more. Earnings season is a great time for selling premium. You want to capitalize on the fact that somebody else is purchasing these options and you think they will expire worthless, or at least be worth less than they were when you sold them. You want the credit you sold to slowly slip away, which will give you a profit. Top premium selling option strategies. I primarily use put credit spreads, call credit spreads, and iron condors. To capitalize on neutral or income generating setups in the most effective manner, I generally enter trades for a credit because this offers the highest probability of reward with acceptable risk parameters. Opportunities during earnings season. Earnings season can generally be divided into 3 types of opportunities: pre earnings momentum, where stocks move either up or down in anticipation of earnings; overnight earnings moves, where stocks move immediately in reaction to the earnings reports; or post earnings trades. Stocks will make a continued move post earnings after they have a massive overnight gap, typically based off of surprise news. Each setup provides opportunity for options traders. If you want to learn more about earnings season, how to identify which tickers are reporting earnings, and the most important part, which tickers are best to trade, make sure you follow me on X, otherwise known as Twitter, because that's where I'm going to be posting my earnings calendars. You can also follow me at 5startrader.com or right here at Simpler Trading in the Options Gold Room. My handle's at Trader Danielle on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Make sure you follow me if you want to check out these up to date earnings calendars, top earnings setups, and more. I hope you enjoyed this section. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next episode.